Hello beautiful people, LosingDrea here, and today I'm coming to you with another video. I know guys, you're probably saying to yourself, what's wrong with her? And that's a good thing, because I'm coming to you guys with another video. I have such a hard time, as many of you know who have been watching me over the last 7 years plus, that I don't do a lot of videos. I am not very consistent. I like to try to do at least one a week, but that doesn't even happen most times. It's just life gets in the way, and I am just so very busy occupying my time with things that just make me happy. And I know there was a time when I would say that making videos made me happy, coming on here to YouTube, seeing all you guys who make videos, that makes me happy. Reading all your comments, or even getting your private inbox messages that, where you guys have told me that there was something that I said that either motivated or inspired you or got you going in the right direction and on keto, or something else that I had done in the past. Whatever the case may be, it has filled my heart so much, and I have much gratitude for each and every one of you who watch my channel. Now, with that said and now put aside, I really want to just kind of come on here and say, for one, happy Sunday. And yes, I'm getting this uploaded to you guys just as soon as I'm done filming it, because I don't want to procrastinate, because that's where I run into the problem of being able to upload to you guys. First of all, if you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below. Do be sure to hit the bell notification so you can be notified of all new videos as I put them out. But like I said, this is a rarity, but I do intend to do a lot better, and always intend to do my very best. I've been watching a lot of different people on YouTube, a lot of different keto people, new, what I like to call friends or family members, and my last video I mentioned and did a shout out for Keto Diamond. I just absolutely love her. I love everything about her. She's just, something about her just reminds me so much of myself. And if any of you guys have looked back at one of my very first videos and know how I even got the name, or I chose the name LosingDrea, was because I was inspired by a video from a girl that was here on YouTube when I was watching a video of somebody in the YouTube weight loss community. This girl's video came up, and for some reason I looked over at her and I kind of saw myself in her, weight-wise, size-wise, and what she had come from, and the 125 pounds she had lost, and what she had looked like at that point then. Her name was Losing Jess, and Losing Jess was my motivation and inspiration, which got me going back on October 2nd, 2011. So yeah, I've been at this for quite a long time, and no, I haven't even met Wonderland, and I'm not giving up, guys. You know, you can't hit bottom if you don't stop digging, and I haven't stopped digging. I have my problems, I have my faults, I'm only human. I know what works and what doesn't work, but there are some things, especially with keto, that I don't really understand this keto thing. After 2 years, I'm coming on here to you guys, as I always am. I'm very honest and transparent. And I'm letting you guys know I don't have all the answers, okay, guys? And I don't expect to ever have all the answers. It's just like with recovery or anything else. It's not anything you graduate from. It's an ongoing learning experience, and you need to learn for yourself. Do your own research. You know what I'm saying? Find what works for other people, and then tweak it so that it fits your lifestyle and what you're doing and what you need to do for yourself. What makes you happy? Be your own advocate. You know, stand up for yourself. Be your own boss. I'm always saying, be the boss of your loss. And the reason for that is you can't go out into the real world and try to live and do what you need to do, whether it's for keto or anything else that you're probably doing, and have other people kind of deter you off of your path, or coerce you to doing stuff that you really don't want to do, and make you feel any less important, or, just dull your shine. Don't let people do that to you. I have, on my own, opened myself up to be that kind of person. You know what I mean? Like, I'm such a loving, giving person with such a huge heart that I give, and I'm not a taker. And even if it's offered to me, I don't want to take. I just want to give. It makes me feel so much more full, so much more rich to be able to give than to be able to take or even receive, or however you want to put that. And where I'm getting at with that is because of my loving nature, I tend to put myself out there a little bit too far, overextend myself a little bit too far, and then later I start to feel a little depressed and a little bit like I want to kick myself in the butt and say, why did I do that? You know, I don't want people to get the wrong idea from me when I do that. Maybe they think I'm kind of creepy or something because, you know, I give of myself, my heart, and anything that I have, if I can afford, or even sometimes if I can't afford, I do that. And then I think later, oh God, they must think I'm weird because nobody does that. You know, nobody that I know does that. Started this weight loss journey and I've tried every single thing you guys can imagine short of. I've not done weight loss surgery. I've not swallowed any balloons or any pills, no potions, no programs. I've basically, whatever I found free online, I took into account, I researched it, and I tried it. Maybe sometimes just to show you guys whether it worked or it didn't for me. Again, keep in mind, we're not all the same. What might not work for me might work for you. What might not work for me or you might work for somebody else. So keep that in mind. My opinions are just my opinions. When I speak, I am not speaking about anybody else other than myself unless I say so and or point you in the direction of somebody who said so, or put something up to show the receipts for whatever I'm talking about. I don't like to just talk just to be heard if I don't know what I'm saying. I'm not that important, guys. I'm seriously not that important. I love each and every one of you. And the ones that I've been watching lately, I love, and it's not like I want to put them up on this huge pedestal, but I have to. I just must, because right now, they are my life. They are what I want right now so bad, is to get into Wonderland, is to be free from this curse of these damn 240s that I've been in. By joining one of these pyramid type things, and my focus now from my weight loss and what I was trying to do for myself and my health and my channel and whatnot, which was also a very big part of what helped me, like the biggest tool I could have in my arsenal of weight loss tools, is having these videos, being able to come on here and say to you guys, hey, what's up? Here I am. Here's an update, and getting transparent and putting myself out there, because that kept me accountable. And when I stopped doing that, then my accountability, any of you guys who might be watching, some of you have channels and you do videos and you're great at uploading on the daily, but some of you have channels and maybe you just like me, you're not good at uploading on the daily. Or you have a channel, but you just watch videos and you like videos, and you might have a playlist or two that you add those videos that are your favorites to, but you're not yet doing videos. Whatever the case may be, pick the camera up and do a video. For one, not only is it going to give you the accountability, but it's going to enable you to see your progress over time. Where you came from and where you're at now, even if you're afraid to do selfies or sit yourself in front of a camera. I got a lot going on, guys, and I'm sure a lot of you guys have a lot going on too. I'm not the only one, and I don't try to come on here and be the only one and say, oh, poor me, blah, 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 blah. I have this, that, and the other thing going on. I'm coming on here to let you guys know that even in keto, where a lot of people say keto helps with mental health, I have my good days and I have my bad days, and today just didn't seem to be a good day, but I didn't have enough sleep. I'm not drinking enough water. I know for a fact now I'm not drinking enough water. I'm getting a ton of awesome information from Keto Diamond. I can't give her enough kudos and shout outs, because the girl is just amazing, okay? Like the weight that she lost, the way that she looks, the things that she does, and the fact that she gives it freely of her own heart, like I give things too. She's there to help you, and she's helping me right now. Like, you know, me just even coming out and asking her gave me more of the encouragement to go and actually look at the link she was giving anyways and read it again at a time when my mind was a little bit more on focusing on stuff, and I finally understood the whole body fat composition concept, and was able to go in and do the macro calculator and find out exactly what I'm supposed to be eating in macros. Now I need to figure out my foods and try to not go over on my protein, because I think, guys, that has been my problem for these 2 years is that I'm overeating protein. I've been eating a lot of meat, or I'll eat sausage, or I'll eat eggs. I'm getting in a lot of protein, but protein can convert to basically the same things that carbs are. I do the keto, and I've stuck to the keto, not just because it's more maintainable and sustainable for me, because it keeps me from being hungry and I don't go to the kitchen as many times, so I'm not having to make as many decisions of crap that I might stick in my mouth. But the way that I usually feel on keto is just phenomenal. And that's why I've stuck with it for 2 years, and why, even though in my mind I'm like, I know I've lost a lot more weight back in 2012. I mean, granted, that was 7 years ago, and I was 41. Now I'm 48. I was able to get my mind clarity back. And that, for me, guys, is phenomenal, because I thought I had lost all my brain cells back in the days, because I'm a 70s child, enjoying a little green inspiration, we'll say. I feel so much better. My body aches are a lot less. My headaches are a lot less. And, you know, I do have energy most of the time. Anyways, guys, I'm rambling. I just wanted to come on here. It makes me so happy to get on here to finally do a video, to know that I'm not procrastinating yet again, thinking about each and every one of you. But to name each and every one of you individually would take me all day. You know what I'm talking about. But with that said, be happy, be healthy, be beautiful, but just be you. Be the boss of your loss if you're on a weight loss journey, as I always say. And with that said, I love you guys. Be blessed. Mwah.